everyone, my name is Catherine Sumading. I will discuss about Cedula Personal Tax.
Cedula Personal Tax. Definition: a tax system that assesses and collects taxes on individuals' income. So, the Cedula Personal Tax is a tax system primarily used in some countries such as the Philippines and certain other jurisdictions to assess and collect taxes on individual income. It is often referred to as the Cedula or Cedula de Identidad, and its form of personal identification that also acts as a receipt for paying local taxes. The Cedula Personal Tax typically applies to individuals, especially those in lower income brackets, and the amount can vary based on local government regulations. The system is designed to provide a simplified method for tax collection for people who are not subject to more complex tax regimes. Purpose: since as both a form of local identity and means of collecting a tax. It's a way for local governments to raise revenue, particularly in areas where more sophisticated taxation systems are not feasible. Who pays? Paid by individuals who earn income even if it's relatively small. The tax is often paid by individuals who earn income even if it's relatively small. It applies to citizens, residents, and sometimes even non-residents depending on local laws. How is it calculated? Income is loss paying mineral amounts, while higher earners may pay more. The amount varies depending on the region or municipality. In the Philippines, for example, the tax rate is based on income, with those earning less paying minimal amounts while higher earners may pay more. The Cedula tax is generally seen as a flat tax or graduated tax depending on the local structure. For example, a common model is to pay a minimal tax if the income is below a certain threshold and higher rates further with larger incomes. Payment and issuance: issued a cedula or taxpayer identification card once the tax is paid. So, this is a proof of payment and can be used for a variety of purposes, such as opening a bank account, securing a business permit, or proving local residence. The Cedula tax is typically paid annually, but some regions may allow for more frequent payment. Compliance and filing: local barangay or municipal office. For those required to pay the tax, they need to go their local barangay, village or municipal office to file and pay. Some regions may have online filing systems, making it easier for taxpayers to comply. It's important for individuals to ensure they keep their Cedula tax receipt because it may be required for other legal or bureaucratic purposes. Exceptions and discounts: senior citizens, minors, PWD, and students. Some individuals, like senior citizens, minor, or people with disabilities, may be exempt from paying the Cedula tax or may get discounts. In some areas, government employees, students, or those below a certain income level may also be exempt. Impact: it provides essential service, infrastructure, and programs to the local communities. Cedula taxes are often part of the local government's efforts to provide essential service, infrastructure, and programs. The tax, while minimal, helps ensure that individuals contribute to the welfare of their communities. Recent development: introduce reforms to improve the collect of Cedula tax. Some countries have introduced reforms to improve the collection of the cedula tax. This might include introducing electronic payment system or simplifying the process for issuing cedula documents. There may be also efforts to standardize the tax rates across regions to avoid inconsistencies. The cedula tax is a small but important part of local tax system in some countries. While it may not be a significant financial burden for most individuals, it plays a crucial role in supporting local governance and public services. A tax levied on every adult without reference to income or resources.